Questions we are always asked about appraisals. I'm Jason Hardas with the Hardas Team, and when it comes to appraisals, our buyers usually have the same 5 questions. Who orders the appraisal? Depends on why we're getting the appraisal. If it's due to lender requirements, then the lender will order the appraisal for you. If the appraisal is being done for the buyer's peace of mind, then the buyer is responsible for ordering the appraisal. Do I have to be there? Typically, the buyer is not at the appraisal and, in fact, may not be aware of exactly when the appraisal is happening. Most appraisers will go out and evaluate several homes in one day and only will coordinate it with the sellers to get into the homes. When do I pay for the appraisal? This depends on the lender that you have chosen. Some lenders make you pay up front for the appraisal, while others will take your credit card info but not charge you until the closing. If you ordered the appraisal directly, they may take your money over the phone by credit card or by check prior to the appraisal. If the appraisal is completed and you don't buy the property, you are still required to pay for the appraisal. Do I get a copy? Yes, your lender will provide you with a copy of the appraisal once they receive it back and can process the report. If you request the appraiser will provide you a report directly. Normally, they'll send a digital copy to your email. Does the appraiser do an inspection? While the appraiser does not do an inspection, some of the loan programs require them to look at specific things in the home. A couple of examples with FHA loans are when the appraiser checks for broken windows, chipping paint, and major damage to the property to annotate on the report. Here at the Hardas Team, we have helped hundreds of families deal with the appraisal process. If you have specific questions or want to talk to us about your situation, contact us today. Feel free to watch the other videos on the buying process. I'm Jason Hardas, and as always, stay out of trouble.